Nature. Fire. Wind. Water. They all can create, and they all can destroy. The world is filled with joy and beauty, pain and ugliness. But it fully depends on our perspective whether we will be able to see it or not. This brings us to the idea that the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Whether it is true or not, it is up to us to decide. But what I am 100% sure is that if you are happy inside, you will see the world differently. The colors are brighter for you cause you actually see them, not just consume them. My idea is that our world is so vastly diverse that anyone can find beauty of his own. Some people even struggle to create their own beauty. They also try to combine usefulness of any object they create with an art, with their own form of it. And this is what people like. They do what they need combining with what they admire. Some images can be too dark for one, but for other, they will be exactly what he searches in his life. We not only fill our mind with concepts we like, we also express our vision with something we relate with. All we have to do is to seek our fortune.